Okay, y'all. So, before we even get to the video, please go over to these two channels. They'll be on either side of the screen, and subscribe, like, comment, and share, okay? One is my brother from another mother, TNR Reactions and More. He has some amazing videos. Listen, great reaction videos. I promise y'all won't be disappointed. On the other side, playing in the background right now, TJ's Channel. Every time I make a video, TJ is behind me. He wants to make a video and whatnot, so I created his own channel. So run over to TJ's Funtivities, like, comment, share, subscribe. Okay? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and as you can see, I'm back with another banging video. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. So, it's Good Friday, and in Jamaica, on Good Friday, we actually eat fish. So here I have some fish fillets. I'm just gonna fry them. Also have some shrimp, but I'll show you that after. But I'm gonna, well, first right here, I have some Maggi all-purpose. Hold on. Okay, so in that bowl, I have some Maggi all-purpose, some Sazon seasoning, and a little bit of Old Bay. Okay, and in this bowl right here, I have Andy's fish breading. This is Cajun and red because there's different flavors. So I have the Cajun and the red mixed together. So it's already seasoned, and this is why I only have this much seasoning. I don't want to add too much, just to bring up the flavor a little bit. So I'm going to add this seasoning, and then I'll come back. So here I have 2 eggs, some milk, and some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. And I'm going to dip the fish in that before putting it in the fish breading, just so it helps the breading to stick onto the fish a little bit better. Okay, so right here I have my oil. It's already hot, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the fish in. Okay guys, so to season the shrimp, the only thing I'm going to do is add some Maggi seasoning. That's it. Okay guys, so the process for the shrimp, same. And from here to the breading. While the fish is frying, I'm going to go ahead and make the pickle that's going to go on top of the fish. So it's carrots, onion, and habanero pepper. Really, we use Scotch bonnet pepper, but I work with what I have, and some vinegar. Okay, so you're gonna boil it on the stove for roughly 2-3 minutes, and then you turn it off, cover it, and then that's it. I'm also going to add a few pimento in there, not too many. There you have it, guys. Happy Easter.